What's up guys, good morning, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another episode of GGV. I'm literally just gonna get right to it. You guys have been asking for it and I tell you guys that I'm gonna bring it, I never do. So here it is, more of a lifestyle video, truck content. I know you guys have always been asking for truck content and here you guys go. Not even gonna explain anything, let's just get started with my day. The reason why I'm here is I got to get this big rig started and got to jump it. So, also, dude, this thing has literally just sat here. Look at this thing. It's so dirty. It needs to get washed. But I also have some exciting news for you guys. I think you guys are going to be excited about this, but I gotta explain. I have a lot to explain when it comes to trucks. And as you guys know, the DURAMAX, there's some exciting news with that thing gonna be happening, which is this truck right here. And I don't know how I'm gonna get to it. Batteries, I think the batteries are, actually, the batteries are right here. Jeez, this thing needs a wash. I hope the truck driver comes today to get this thing washed up. But some exciting news. I can start off with, I ordered a new pickup. All right, so there's a positive, and I'm just gonna ground this right here. Good, good. Nothing blew up. I think we're good. Okay. Let's go check this out. This truck literally needs. What's that noise? I hear something. I think it's working. I hope it's working. It's beeping in here. All right. Damn, is it gonna start first? What? Is this really about to start right now? Let's see. Cross my fingers. Cross my fingers. Nope. It needs a little bit more charge. I knew it. Anyways, guys, like I said, I ordered a new truck. You guys should be super excited about this new truck because it's going to be a complete build. I ordered a new truck, I ordered a lift, I ordered wheels, I ordered tires. I'm about to order the delete kit. It's got an appointment with Jay at Jay's Auto Body, as you guys know. Get completely color matched. I don't even know if I should spoil any of it. I'm actually not going to tell you guys what it is, what color it is, what wheels I got. I can tell you their forces. I can tell you it's a dually. The lift is a McGoy's lift. I'm not gonna tell you the size. The delete kit, I mean, is obviously gonna be Easy Link. And that is gonna be it. That's all you guys are gonna get right now until the truck gets here. And so I ordered the truck probably like, I don't even know, it's probably like 3 weeks ago. And I contacted them yesterday. I texted the guy to see if he's heard anything on the truck yet. He said nothing yet, but we will have an ETA by Friday. So today is Wednesday. So in 2 days, I'll get to hear when my truck will actually get here. And we can get started on this. And again, this is gonna be a work truck, but as you guys know, my work trucks are just a little bit not so work truck looking, but that's just me. That's just how I've always been. I love them that way. That's how it's gonna be. So I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited. I went and checked out one truck. As you guys know, I'm a Chevy Ford guy, GM Ford guy I should say. I do Chevy or GMC. But so I went and checked out one truck and I just absolutely didn't really care for it. So I ended up going with this other truck and there was none available. Like, I kid you not, we checked the entire state of California and they even checked out of state, but the people that did have them did not want to get rid of them just because of the whole pandemic thing or whatever. I have no idea. There's just such a high demand for these trucks apparently, that I had to order one and they said it was going to take like 60 days. Well, I think we're about halfway there now, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know, somewhere around there. But I don't know. I'm just super excited. I'm stoked to get this. And then I get to move on with this DURAMAX deal. You guys are going to be so excited about the whole DURAMAX deal because I've actually been waiting for it, but the whole pandemic deal kind of held me back a lot. And it's now going to finally happen, hopefully. I don't want to say it is because the last time I said it didn't happen due to the pandemic and just kind of waiting around, and then work got started and yada yada yada. So then that's the deal. Anyways, I gotta wait for this thing. Then I gotta go to the DMV, which sucks. Already talked to my insurance guy. This truck's getting insured today, so it's gonna be ready to go tomorrow. Driver should be picking it up today, should be washing it, detailing it today, and this should be on the road hauling oranges by tomorrow. Oh yeah, and I wanted to come back and tell you guys that before you guys try and snake me on this in the comment section, the reason why I'm not putting new batteries in here is because the batteries are brand new. When I brought the truck here, I literally parked it here about a year ago, a little bit less than a year ago. We actually put brand new batteries in there, so they are brand new batteries. It just literally sat here the entire time, not turned on once for about a year. So that's the reason for that. So I think if I jump them, they'll get the recharge, and I think they'll be good to go. If not, then yeah, of course I'm gonna have to take the hit and go buy new batteries again. Let's go try this. Oh, another thing. I have a lot of you guys asking about these. Dude, look at this truck. It's so dirty. Oh my god. The exhaust tips. I gotta make sure. I gotta check and see if Jesus, that thing needs alignment. I gotta make sure and see if they're ready to pick up, if they're available. All right. Come on, at least give me a little bit more. Jesus, it's gonna take a while. Dude, now that I sit here and look at my truck, holy shit. Like, the alignment is so bad on this thing. Like, look at how turned, here, check this out. Look at how turned this one is right here. Right, you see it in front of the body? Like, it's completely, you can completely tell that I'm turning to the right. Look at this one. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference, but dude, even look at my tire. Like, that literally just started happening. Like, it just got that bad. So I'm gonna have to, I gotta call Jay right now. Yo.
Hey, what's up?
What's up? You painting or what?
Yeah.
Oh damn. Hey, when do you have time for my truck? Dude, I just noticed like my alignment in the front is so fucked.
Which one?
The DURAMAX, the black one. I need so I need that, and then I need like the bushings. I think, I don't know if the bushings, but the shocks for sure up front.
Probably freaking next week if you want, if you can.
This week?
Monday.
On Monday? Okay. And then what about the Tesla too? The wheels? Oh shit. All right, we'll do that. All right, dude. Thank you. Dude, this is like so bad. Like, I don't even want to drive it. Like, my tire is so messed up. Look at this. Look at this tire. Literally why I just noticed it right now. And it's crazy because look at the wear on the inside. Like, it's insane. It's so bad. And then this side, it's not like, oh my god. This is like really, really bad. Really, really bad. Yeah, I don't know if this is gonna happen. I might have to go get new batteries or put one of the big tractors on this to try and start it that way. But damn, dude, I'm still tripping on that. Like, the truck was literally, this was just on this morning's drive because it was fine yesterday, so something just went wrong. But anyways, I wanted to show you guys this. If you guys are wondering how the tops of the trees become so straight, like they're just completely flat. If you get on a ladder and you look at the top of this entire grove, literally it is all completely straight. Look, people always wonder, how do you guys get them so straight? Here's the answer to that right now. You will see it right there. So they're cutting the trees down. See that thing spinning on top of that tractor? It's called a topper. So what they're doing obviously is topping the trees. So that thing has, I don't know, 5-6 blades on it, spins around, all hydraulic, and we have it set to 10 feet right now. It's part of like the pruning process, get sunlight in, fruit grows bigger, better, and that's how it's done. I'll show you guys that in a little bit if I drive that way. Any minute now. There we go. Oh, we got a little bit more. Alright, dude, I had to like, I gave up on that damn truck. So like, even my dad showed up, the truck driver showed up, the mechanic was on his way. The mechanic's actually still on his way right now, but he's gonna try and get it started. That thing will not start, dude. We got the battery up to like 14 volt. Like, it was all good, but it still wouldn't turn over. I mean, it would turn over, but it just wouldn't start. So the mechanic's gonna try and get it started and see what the hell's going on. I think we are just gonna have to change all the batteries just because they're so dead. Hopefully they're still, I'm pretty sure they're still under warranty because it's got 8 brand new batteries from like literally a little bit less than a year ago, but they are completely just, they're done. They're just murked. There's no way. There's no freaking way. Well, anyways, how I told you guys, my truck, the alignment was so messed up. I ended up just taking it home. I got in the car. I got to go to the DMV. I got to go to my brother's new restaurant that he's just about to open. They're doing like an employee training stuff there, and he said to come by for free food. So I'm gonna come by, get some food there. It should be bomb, and hopefully the truck is ready to go because that truck driver actually needs to drive it tomorrow. So I'm hoping that it's ready to go. I had to like insure it today. Like my insurance guy is on his way to his office to get the all insured, and it's just been a mess. But it's always the same though with me. It's always the freaking same last minute shit all the time. I hate it. I don't know why we do it, but it's always last minute. But somehow it always works out. But just I'm hoping that this truck right here gets started because it's already you know, it's already 2 o'clock. I gotta go to the DMV. It's gonna be a mess. Wish me luck. And look at this. Views on views. My neighbors probably hate me. Speed bump. And we're here. Black Beauty, Brown Beauty, whatever you want to call it right now. She's so dirty. I still haven't taken it. I gotta take it next week. I think I told you guys that, but next week is when it's gonna go. Feels so good to be home and park. Have you guys tried these? Dude, I'm about to give these a try. I normally don't like dark chocolate, but these things are mint and dark chocolate. So I love mint chocolate, but if you guys didn't know that my all-time favorite though is a Payday. Literally my all-time favorite. I think I've said this in like the past, like some of the vlogs, that this is like my ultimate favorite freaking candy bar ever. Oh guys, also forgot to mention that the big rig that I was trying to start earlier did actually start when I was over at my brother's place, but it was like, I don't know how, when the mechanic got there, I had left a forklift and another truck, one of the work trucks, just on it with the jumper cables because the battery charger was just taking way too long. As the forklifts and the other truck took as long as it did, I left them running on there, and when the mechanic got there, he tried turning it on and it did start. So the truck is running now. I didn't make it out to the stupid DMV, but I'm gonna have to go there tomorrow, get this all rolling and stuff. And yeah, just wanted to give you guys a little update on that since I didn't finish that because I just got carried away with the day and got super busy. Obviously just got home. If you guys enjoyed this content, as you guys know, and as you guys were honestly used to this kind of content, like more of a daily type of thing, please comment down below, let me know. I love doing this kind of stuff, and it keeps me more consistent with the channel. So hope you guys enjoyed more truck content. Like I said, I'm gonna snake you guys on the brand of truck. I'm telling you guys, it's a 2021 dually. Ordered the wheels, lift, and tires, and the, what else? The delete kit is gonna come. I haven't ordered that yet, but I'm gonna snake you guys until everything is here, and we will not know when it's gonna get here until Friday. Today's Wednesday, 2 more days. Well, actually just 1 more day, because it's already, it's 7:45, but you guys already know. You guys will be the first to know. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure to do it at Gabe GTZ Vlogs. You guys already know. You guys get a little bit of sneak peeks there. If you guys would have been following me, and now that you know about the new pickup, you would have kind of gotten a sneak peek the day that I ordered it. So, guys, go smash the follow button, smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, and the 1, 2, or 3, 4 people that hate me or whatever, smash your dislike button. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you all. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.